greetings to all of you. Welcome once again to Iglesia Ni Cristo Chronicles. We're so glad that you could join us today, and we hope you will stay with us throughout our program. Our feature for today is about Brother Felix Y. Manalo, the man whom we believe is the messenger of God in these last days. Every 10th of May, Church of Christ members always remember God's messenger in these last days, how he painstakingly labored so that others may also be called into the church. Through the instrumentality of Brother Felix Y. Manalo, the Church of Christ re-emerged in these last days in the Philippines on July 27, 1914. And through God's guidance to His messenger, the church remains triumphant and is now in its radiance. But the road trekked by the last messenger of God as he led the church was not an easy one.
May 10, 1886, sa Barrio Calzada, sa Taguig, Rizal, ipinanganak ang kapatid na Felix Y. Manalo sa kanyang mga magulang na sina Mariano Isagon at Bonifacia Manalo. Ipinanganak at kinagisnan ang mga aral, ritual at tradisyon ng simbahang Katoliko. Lumaking isang pastol at mangingisda na sa murang edad ay natutuhan niya. Edad 12 nang matuklasan ng kapatid na Felix Manalo ang Biblia sa kanyang panunuluyan sa kumbento ng kanyang tiyuhin na isang paring Katoliko. Natuklasan niya na marami sa mga aral Katoliko ay labag sa banal na kasulatan. Dito nagsimulang mapukaw ang isipan ni kapatid na Felix Manalo sa mga aral ng Diyos na nakasulat sa Biblia. Nabuo ang kalituhan at pagdududa sa relihiyong kinagisnan. Minsay nasaksihan niya ang isang debate ng paring Katoliko at pastor Protestante